Hey everybody, how you doing? So I got a couple packages in from HogWorkz. I got a detachable sissy bar and a luggage rack. The luggage rack was about $240. The sissy bar was around 220 bucks. So all in total, it was 400 something. I kind of liked how they looked online. So I'm gonna open these boxes up and we'll get them installed on the Street Glide and see how they look. So let's check it out. So this is the HogWorkz Chrome short passenger sissy bar. Looks like it's built really nice. Feels real sturdy. I like it because hopefully it'll sit lower on the bike. You know, I don't like the real tall ones that are wide like this, so hopefully this will look good. We'll pop that on here in a minute. Wow, that looks really good. So I got this two items, the luggage rack and the sissy bar at hogworkz.com. Nice and heavy. Yeah, I think that's gonna do fine. It's gonna look good. I'm not sponsored, by the way. I bought these with my own money. And then lastly, we got this antenna from Arlen Ness. Get rid of the tall antenna that I had, and we'll see how this looks on there. This is the Arlen Ness whip antenna. And I think I only paid like $20 at that, 19, something like that. We'll see how it works. All right, let's head out to the garage and get the stuff installed. First thing I want to do is swap out this antenna. All I gotta do is unscrew it. These go on the shock posts, right there and there. And then these will fit over the forward. That's cool. These have a little lock in there. Okay. All right. That is locked in really good. There's no wiggle. Looks pretty good. That's it in secured position there. You can see that little slider that holds it in place. This sucker, both of these are on really strong. There's not even a little bit of a rattle or anything. I think it's pretty cool. The Shorty Sissy bar and the Stealth B2 luggage rack by HogWorkz. I'm not sponsored by them. I bought these myself. Gives me a little something to strap luggage to for the long trips. There you go. Yeah, I'm happy with the quality. They weren't cheap, but I think it looks really good. Here it is without the sissy bar. Give you an idea. It's just the luggage rack. Looks pretty cool. Alright, thanks for watching. Looks pretty good. It was a little stiff to get on there, so I had to muscle it a little bit, and what I did is I put it on the ground and I bent the tabs just a hair. I put a little bit of pressure. It was just enough to bend it enough to fit snug on there. So again, thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all take care of each other out there. Stay safe on the road. See ya. Bye.